Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a ChatGPT code interpreter, and it changed a little bit. So before everything it was something like so. You click on ChatGPT 4 and turn on the code interpreter, and you needed to go ahead to settings and turn it on. Now you don't have to do this because it's already integrated into this chat, so you don't need to turn it on. Now I have downloaded this data set, which we're gonna use for today. And I have used it for a data analysis on ChatGPT. So I'm gonna leave the prompts in the description below for you to check out if you want to. And basically, this is what I came up with. First of all, you want to go ahead and upload that file here from your computer, and I just wrote, please explain to me this document in simple terms. And now it suggests that you unzip it, but it did it for you anyways, and basically just went through all of this data analysis. Now I asked what's the main takeaway from this data set, and they just basically wrote what it is. And now I just asked to provide a data analysis, for example, for this topic, for the subject, and then could you create a graph about it? And they have created a graph for it. And yeah, that's basically how you can use this code interpreter. I will leave more prompts in the description below for you to check out how you can use this code interpreter, and this is how you basically use it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.